Hey guys, I am Lee.
I'm Patrick.
And we've got some somber news for you today. Chelsea, whom many of you know as Baby Turtle, is leaving Fstoppers. She is moving on to bigger and better things. We're very happy for her, but we're also sad at the same time. She's been with us for almost 3 years now, and we have some amazing times together.
Yeah, so we have made this little compilation video of some of the best moments that we've gotten to experience with Chelsea Rogers, AKA Baby Turtle.
The whole reason that we have these cameras is because Chelsea over here was the one that got them. So I'm gonna take a portrait of Chelsea in her natural habitat by the trash can. Don't move, do not move or you'll hurt yourself.
I have now placed a bet with, I forgot your name, what's your name?
I was just looking at Chelsea's awesome outfit and I was like, where have I seen this before? I remembered Home Alone 2, there's this woman in the park, she's like covered in pigeons. She looks just like Chelsea. Batman!
So the guys packed up the truck this morning, but they keep forgetting the most important thing.
Here comes the ocean, I don't want to get wet, so go for it.
The journey to the ocean for this young hatchling won't be easy. As the sea rises and falls, so does Baby Turtle.
Cheers.
You know, people love Baby Turtle. I know this isn't your favorite thing to do, but I think you probably have more fans now than you've ever had in your life, so you're welcome.
Cheers! For Chelsea! Chelsea!
So guys, to send her off in the most enjoyable way possible, we're gonna do a contest. We're gonna do a Photoshop contest. You can take any picture of Chelsea that you can find on the internet. I'm giving you permission to cyber stalk her. Or you can grab images from Fstoppers of her dressed up like a baby turtle, whatever you want. And you can upload them to this post, and if you're watching this on YouTube, there's a link in the description. Go to that post, upload the picture in the comment, and the winner, the very best photoshopped image of Chelsea, is going to get our brand new tutorial with Brian Rogers on product photography.
And so this can be anything. This can be hilarious, it could be a meme, it could be her superimposed into something that's already funny.
Yes, I would prefer not to put any stipulations. It can't be like
Porn.
nudity or it has to be like PG. But other than that, like anything goes. I'm so excited to see what the community can come up with.
And is she gonna pick the winner? Are we gonna pick the winner? How's this gonna work?
I don't even know.
Does she even know we're doing this?
She doesn't even know we're doing this. She officially stopped working for us like a day or two ago. So she
and it's her birthday yesterday or 2 days ago?
Exactly.
So she is going to hopefully love this, and then she is definitely going to check out this post. So make sure you put all of the images in the Fstoppers post below.
And check back soon because this is going to be a hilarious contest, I'm sure.
Yeah. And so maybe by like Monday of next week.
Yeah, we'll probably update the post and we'll choose a winner on that post.
Cool.
Thanks for watching, guys.